Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make apple pie cookies. First, gather your ingredients, including 2 pre-made pie crusts. Next, dice 2 medium apples and combine them with 1/4 cup of sugar and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon for the filling. Finally, roll out your pie crusts and cut them into 2 5-inch circles or squares, preparing them for assembly. Now, let's assemble these delicious treats. Place about 1 teaspoon of your prepared apple filling onto the center of each dough shape. Carefully fold the dough over the filling, creating a half moon or triangle. Use a fork to firmly crimp and seal the edges, ensuring no filling escapes. Don't forget to cut small vents on top of each cookie. It's time to bake your apple pie cookies to golden perfection. First, brush the tops of each cookie with a simple egg wash. This will give them a lovely golden sheen. Then, bake them in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 12 to 15 minutes. Once baked, transfer them to a wire rack and allow them to cool completely. For the perfect finishing touch, let's make a simple glaze. Whisk together 1 cup of powdered sugar with 2 tablespoons of milk until smooth. Once your apple pie cookies are completely cool, drizzle this sweet glaze generously over each one. These delightful treats are best served warm or at room temperature, ready for you to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.